The Nikon Z9 II is rapidly emerging as one of the most anticipated flagship camera releases of 2025, driven by a steady stream of leaks and insider reports that point toward a major leap forward in Nikon's mirrorless strategy. Rather than delivering a modest refresh, Nikon appears to be preparing a bold evolution of its professional lineup, positioning the Nikon Z9 II as a camera designed to redefine expectations for hybrid photography and filmmaking. The original Z9 already marked a turning point for Nikon by eliminating the mechanical shutter and delivering exceptional speed, reliability, and video performance. However, the Nikon Z9 II seems poised to push well beyond that foundation, targeting professionals who demand uncompromising performance across every discipline. At the center of the excitement surrounding the Nikon Z9 II is its rumored sensor technology. According to multiple leaks, Nikon may introduce an all-new stacked camo sensor with significantly higher resolution than its predecessor, potentially landing in the 46 to 52 megapixel range. This would represent a notable jump from the original Z9 while maintaining the advantages of stacked sensor architecture. A stacked design dramatically improves readout speed, which is critical for reducing rolling shutter and enabling high-speed continuous shooting. If Nikon successfully balances resolution with speed, the Nikon Z9 II could deliver ultra-detailed images without sacrificing responsiveness, making it equally suitable for studio work, landscapes, wildlife, and fast-paced sports photography. The benefits of this sensor upgrade extend far beyond simple megapixel counts. Faster readout speeds would allow the Nikon Z9 II to capture motion with remarkable accuracy, even during rapid pans or high-speed action. Rolling shutter distortion, which can plague electronic shutter cameras during fast movement, could be further minimized or nearly eliminated. This would give photographers greater confidence when shooting silent bursts in demanding environments such as professional sports arenas or wildlife habitats where mechanical noise is undesirable. Combined with improved dynamic range and color depth, the Nikon Z9 II sensor could deliver files that are both technically robust and creatively flexible. Powering this new sensor is expected to be a next-generation image processing engine, possibly an updated XPET processor or even a dual-processor configuration. Increased processing power would be essential to handle higher resolution data, faster burst rates, and advanced video features simultaneously. With enhanced processing, the Nikon Z9 II could offer cleaner high ISO performance, improved noise reduction, and faster overall system responsiveness. For professionals working under tight deadlines, this kind of speed can make a significant difference, allowing quicker review, transfer, and delivery of images and video. Autofocus is another area where the Nikon Z9 II is widely expected to raise the bar. The original Z9 already impressed with its advanced 3D tracking and deep learning-based subject recognition. With the Nikon Z9 II, Nikon is rumored to take this technology even further by refining its AI models and expanding subject detection capabilities. Reports suggest improved recognition of humans, animals, vehicles, and birds, with more accurate eye, face, and body tracking even in complex or cluttered scenes. This level of autofocus intelligence would be particularly valuable for wildlife photographers tracking erratic movement or sports shooters following fast, unpredictable action. What makes the autofocus rumors especially compelling is the suggestion that the Nikon Z9 II may feature more adaptive learning behavior. Rather than relying solely on pre-trained models, the system could continuously adjust to changing conditions such as lighting, subject speed, and background complexity. This could result in more consistent focus performance across a wider range of shooting scenarios. For professionals, reliability is often more important than headline specifications, and the Nikon Z9 II's autofocus system appears designed to deliver exactly that. Burst shooting performance is another cornerstone of the Nikon Z9 II's rumored capabilities. Leaks indicate that the camera may support continuous shooting speeds of 30 to 40 frames per second at full resolution, all without viewfinder blackout. Achieving such performance while maintaining image quality would place the Nikon Z9 II among the fastest mirrorless cameras ever produced. This level of speed allows photographers to capture fleeting moments that would otherwise be impossible to time precisely. Whether it's the exact instant a sprinter crosses the finish line or a bird dives for prey, the Nikon Z9 II could provide the confidence that the decisive moment will be captured. For videographers, the Nikon Z9 II is shaping up to be just as compelling. Nikon has made clear in recent years that video performance is a core part of its flagship strategy, and the Z9 II appears set to expand on that commitment. Rumors suggest internal 8K video recording at higher frame rates, potentially reaching 60 frames per second or even beyond. There is also speculation about 12-bit internal RAW recording, which would allow filmmakers to capture cinema-grade footage without relying on external recorders. If implemented effectively, this would significantly streamline video workflows while preserving maximum flexibility in post-production. Oversampled 4K video derived from 8K footage is another expected highlight. This technique can deliver exceptionally sharp, detailed video with reduced noise and improved color accuracy. Combined with improved codecs and more efficient compression options, the Nikon Z9 II could offer high-quality video that is easier to edit and manage. For hybrid creators who frequently switch between stills and video, this versatility could make the Nikon Z9 II a true all-in-one production tool. Low-light performance is also expected to see meaningful improvements. Nikon's full-frame sensors have long been praised for their ability to retain shadow detail and manage noise at high ISO settings. With the Nikon Z9 II, enhancements in sensor design and processing could further improve low-light capabilities. This would be especially valuable for event photographers, photojournalists, and filmmakers who often work in dim or uncontrolled lighting environments. Cleaner high ISO performance means greater creative freedom, allowing professionals to capture natural-looking images without relying heavily on artificial lighting. The physical design of the Nikon Z9 II is rumored to build upon the strengths of the original Z9, which was widely praised for its robust construction and ergonomic layout. The integrated vertical grip design is expected to remain, providing excellent handling and balance with large telephoto lenses. Improvements may include lighter yet stronger materials, refined weather sealing, and better heat management to support extended shooting sessions, particularly during high-resolution video recording. Such refinements would reinforce the Nikon Z9 II's reputation as a reliable workhorse built for demanding professional use. The electronic viewfinder is another area where upgrades are anticipated. Reports suggest a higher resolution EVF, potentially reaching 9.44 million dots, with improved refresh rates and reduced latency. A viewfinder of this quality would offer near-optical clarity, making it easier to track fast-moving subjects and evaluate focus and exposure in real time. For photographers who rely heavily on the viewfinder, especially in bright outdoor conditions, these improvements could significantly enhance the shooting experience. Battery performance and power management are also expected to improve. With more efficient processing and potential updates to Nikon's battery technology, the Nikon Z9 II could offer longer shooting times on a single charge. Support for USB-C fast charging and power delivery during use would further enhance its suitability for long assignments and studio work. Combined with dual high-speed memory card slots, likely CF Express Type B, the Nikon Z9 II appears designed to handle massive data throughput without slowing down. As 2025 approaches, all eyes in the photography world remain fixed on Nikon. The Nikon Z9 II has the potential to become a defining release, one that sets a new benchmark for hybrid mirrorless cameras and reinforces Nikon's position at the forefront of professional imaging. If the leaks prove accurate, the Nikon Z9 II may not simply follow the competition, it could lead the industry into its next phase.